Crypto as an asset class has done very well in 2021 in terms of price appreciation, and people have been making some serious money in altcoins, especially a number of the much smaller ones, which have exploded by 50 or 100 or even in some cases 1,000 to 1. I myself know of people who have made literally hundreds of thousands of dollars betting on altcoins this year. But the thing is, while the potential to make a lot of money in altcoins is very real, and there are people who are doing so, the strategy of investing into altcoins, especially the smaller ones, can also be a very dangerous thing to do. I'm going to open this video with a very scary truth, and that is the fact that most cryptocurrencies are worthless. Most crypto projects are simply copies of other larger crypto projects, and in fact almost all of the smaller cryptos which have been booming lately are in nearly every case, with very few exceptions, worthless. The thing about currencies, including cryptocurrencies, is that there is really no middle ground. There is only really a need for one or maybe two currencies operating in each area of the economy or industry, and you either have value and believability or you don't. The reason that many of the smaller crypto projects have been booming is not because of adoption or developments in the utility or value, but in almost every case it's because of speculation. It's no secret that we are in a bull market right now in crypto, as there is a lot of optimism, and one of the side effects of a bull run is that whenever prices are rising quickly, you tend to attract a lot of people who are only interested in price rises and nothing else. People who don't care about the project fundamentals, or silly little things like adoption and partnerships, the things which give crypto projects value. They are only concerned with chasing the next big mover, and I don't actually have any problem with doing this, as it's their money and they can use it however they see fit. And by the way, if you're enjoying this video so far, we have a lot more content like this on the channel every day, so be sure to subscribe for that. Anyway, what I do have a problem with is the narrative that many of the fake crypto trading entrepreneurs online are pushing. I've seen a lot of content on social media with people posing in rented Lamborghinis and with all of the other props which come with the internet scammer profile, talking about altcoins and how they can teach you to turn $100 or $1,000 into $1 million by trading altcoins without any risk. And we have to realize that first of all, anybody who is trying to sell a trading course or any other type of get-rich-quick scheme online is in almost every case making the majority of their money selling courses as opposed to from doing what they are supposedly teaching. Think about it like this. If anybody could really make $1 million without investing large amounts of money reliably without any risk, why are they selling that information online for $100 or even $1,000? If it really worked, which it doesn't, why not borrow $100,000 and turn it into $100 million with their own strategy? And again, I want to stress that there are altcoins out there with real adoption and real utility which solve real-world problems. And these are the only types of cryptos which I even consider because I only invest based upon proven value propositions, which I think will be successful in the long term and have a real purpose, and that have been proven by landing and maintaining partners, projects with real adoption. And also, the thing which nobody tells you about the smaller altcoins, which could potentially increase 1,000 or 100 times over, is that you're at a huge disadvantage when trading these cryptos, because first of all they tend to be thinly traded because they are so small, and of course most of the coins or tokens tend to be owned by project insiders who have much better information than any outside investor, and they will know what is happening with that project before the general public. And so not only is it hard to make money because of the disadvantage which the average investor has, but most of these projects are worthless and bound to failure as they have no adoption or prospects of adoption, and are only being propped up by speculative demand. And speculative demand can't hold up a crypto forever. Eventually investors will get tired and they will pull the plug, and when this happens these cryptos will cease to remain in existence. Anyway, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't yet done so already, be sure to subscribe for more content like this.